Namaste, myself Mr. Birazdar Balasaheb, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Science, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. In this video lecture, we will discuss lines of regression, part 4, learning outcome. At the end of this session, students will be able to fit the equations of lines of regression for the bivariate data. Let us pause the video for a while and write answer to the question. Question is, write formula for both the lines of regression equations between variables x and y. Come back. I hope you written answer to this question. Let us see the solution. The lines of regression equation are as follows. First one, line of regression of x on y is x minus x bar equal to b suffix x into y in bracket y minus y bar. Second one, line of regression of y on x is y minus y bar is equal to b suffix y into x in bracket x minus x bar. Now, using these two formula, we have to fit equation of line of regression for the given data. Example 1. Find the two line of regression equations from the following data and also find coefficient of correlation R. So, x is 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30 and y is 18, 12, 24, 6, 30, 36. Solution. We have to prepare the table in order to find summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square, etc. So, here it is the table. First column, the given value of x we have to write, that is 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30 and then in second column write the square of each value of x and denote as x square column. So, square of 10, 100, square of 14, 196, square of 18, 324, square of 22, 484, square of 26, 676 and square of 30 is 900. Now, third column we have to write the value of y correspondingly 18, 12, 24, 6, 30, 36 and in fourth column we have to find square of each value of y and denote as y square. So, we get y square 324, 144, 576, 36, 900, 1296. Then in fifth column find the product of x and y. So, denote it as x into y column. So, 10 into 18 180, 14 into 12 168, 18 into 24 432, 22 into 6 is 132, 26 into 30 is 780, 30 into 36 is 1080. Then add all the values of x, we get summation x which is equal to 120. Add all values of x square, we get summation x square equal to 2680. Add all values of y, we get summation y equal to 126. Add all values of y square, we get summation y square equal to 3276 and add all values of x into y, we get summation xy equal to 2772. Now, first of all we have to find mean of x which is equal to x bar which is summation x upon n, that is equal to summation x is 120 upon n is 6 which is equal to 20. So, therefore, x bar is 20. Now, mean of y equal to y bar which is equal to summation y upon n which is equal to 126 upon 6 gives 21. Therefore, y bar equal to 21. Now, first point, line of regression of x on y, formula x minus x bar equal to b suffix x into y in bracket y minus y bar. So, already we know that x bar y bar value, only we have to find value of b suffix x into y which is summation x y upon n minus summation x upon n into summation y upon n divided by summation y square upon n minus in bracket summation y upon n bracket square. This is the formula. Now, here summation x, summation y, summation x into y, summation y square, these are known to us. So, which is equal to summation x y is 2772 upon n is 6 minus summation x is 120 upon 6 into summation y is 126 upon 6 whole divided by summation y square is 3276 upon n is 6 minus in bracket summation y is 126 upon 6 bracket square. And when we simplify bxy equal to in numerator 462 minus 20 into 21 upon 546 minus 441 which is equal to 42 upon 105 and which gives 0.4. So, the value of b suffix x into y is equal to 0.4. Now, substitute the value of x bar, y bar and b suffix xy in this equation. We get x minus 20 is equal to 0.4 in bracket y minus 21. So, this gives x minus 20 equal to 0.4y minus 0.4 into 21 is 8.4. Therefore, x equal to take minus 20 to right side becomes plus 20 minus 8.4 is 11.6 and plus 0.4 into y. So, this is the equation of line of regression of x on y and it should be in the form of x equal to a plus b into y. Now, the second one is line of regression of y on x. Formula is y minus y bar equal to b suffix y into x in bracket x minus x bar. Now, first we calculate the value of b suffix y into x. The formula is summation x into y upon n minus summation x upon n into summation y upon n whole divided by summation x square upon n minus in bracket summation x upon n bracket square. Now, substitute the value of summation x into y, summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation x and n. So, we get 2772 upon 6 minus 120 upon 6 into 126 upon 6 whole divided by 2680 upon 6 minus 120 upon 6 bracket square. When we simplify, we get b suffix y into x equal to in numerator 462 minus 20 into 21 divided by 446.667 minus 400 which is equal to 0.8999, approximately it is equal to 0.9. Now, substitute the value of this b suffix y into x and x bar y bar in this equation of line of regression of y on x. So, we get y minus y bar is 21 equal to 0.9, it is the value of b suffix y x into bracket x minus x bar is 20. Simplify this. Therefore, y minus 21 equal to 0.9x minus 0.9 into 20 is 18. Therefore, y equal to take this minus 21 from left to right becomes plus 21 and minus 18 gives 3 plus 0.9x. So, this is the equation of line of regression of y on x and it should be in the form of y equal to a plus b into x. Now, we have to find value of coefficient of correlation r. As we know that coefficient of correlation r is equal to under root b suffix x into y into b suffix y into x. Now, in this put b suffix x into y is 0.4, b suffix y into x is 0.9. Therefore, r equal to under root 0.4 into 0.9 gives r equal to 0.6. So, this is the required coefficient of correlation r between x and y. Now, example 2. The line of regression of y on x is x plus 2y equal to 5 and the line of regression of x on y is 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Then find x bar, y bar and r. Solution. To find mean x bar and y bar, as we know that we have to solve the given line of regression equation simultaneously. Here x plus 2y equal to 5, it is equation 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 8, it is equation number 2. Now, to eliminate x, multiply equation 1 by 2, then minus multiply equation second by 1. So, we get 2x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x plus 3y equal to 8, subtract. So, after subtraction, we get 0 plus y equal to 2. So, therefore, y is 2. Put the value of y equal to 2 in equation x plus 2y equal to 5, we get x plus 2 into 2 equal to 5, which gives x equal to 1. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2, it is the point of intersection of the lines and we know that two lines of regression equations are intersect at point x bar comma y bar. Therefore, here x bar is the x coordinate of that point of intersection, that is equal to 1, and y bar means y coordinate of that point of intersection, that is 2. So, that x bar is 1, y bar is 2. Now, to find value of r, given the line of regression of y on x is x plus 2i equal to 5, write in the form of y equal to a plus bx. So, that x can be transferred to right hand side. So, that 2y equal to 5 minus x, after dividing 2 on both the sides. So, we get y equal to 5 by 2 minus x by 2. Compare this equation with y equal to a plus b into x, hence we get here b, that is nothing but b suffix y x, that is coefficient of regression of y on x. So, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, that is minus 0.5. Then given the line of regression of x on y is 2x plus 3y equal to 8, and it should be in the form of x equal to a plus by. Therefore, 2x equal to 8 minus 3y, dividing 2 on both the side, we get x equal to 4 minus 3 by 2 into y. Compare this equation with x equal to a plus by. Here we get b, it is nothing but coefficient of regression of x on y, b suffix xy, which is equal to minus 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 1.5. So, that b suffix x into y equal to minus 1.5. Now, we have the relation between coefficient of correlation r and byx and bxy is r equal to under root b suffix yx into b suffix x into y. Since byx is minus 0.5 and bxy is minus 1.5, so that r equal to under root minus 0.5 into minus 1.5. But we know that if bxy and byx both are negative, then r is also negative. Therefore, r equal to, first we write minus sign as it is, and the simplification of under root 0.5 into 1.5 gives 0.87. So, that here coefficient of correlation is minus 0.87 between the variable x and y. Thank you.